Many bird owners don't know that they're taking care of their bird improperly. My name is Dr. Rachel Sue, and I'm here to cover proper parrot husbandry in 3 minutes or less. The biggest mistake I see pet owners make is feeding their parrot a full seed diet. These seed diets are very high in fat, and it's basically like feeding their pets McDonald's every day. These diets usually lead to obesity and vitamin deficiencies. Although they don't look as pretty, pelleted diets have the proper balance of carbs, protein, vitamins, and minerals for your bird. Now, this goes for most larger parrots, but there are some species such as budgies that can have more seeds than others. You should also be feeding your bird fresh veggies and fruit, and I actually made a chop recipe in one of my other videos, so you can check that out. Certain foods that should absolutely be avoided include avocado, caffeine, and chocolate, because these can kill your bird. Obviously, they need access to fresh water at all times, but a lot of owners don't realize that they need regular bathing. Some prefer baths in a bowl, while others prefer misting, while others even take showers with their owners. They should have these opportunities at minimum 1 to 2 times a week, and make sure that they're warmed thoroughly after. Cages should be as big as possible so they can stretch their wings and get proper exercise. Speaking of proper exercise, I prefer birds not have their wings trimmed. There are a lot of reasons not to trim a bird's wings, which I've discussed in another video. Birds also have much more sensitive lungs, so there's some dangers you should avoid. Avoid heating up Teflon pans, paint fumes, air fresheners, and even candles. And please do not smoke around your bird. Most parrots do best with 10 to 12 hours of sleep a night, so if you're a night owl, make sure to cover their cage. Another issue is that many people don't enrich their birds' lives enough. Parrots are incredibly smart. You need to interact with them every single day. Not only do they need toys in their enclosures, but they need you to interact with them as well. It also helps us as veterinarians if you can train them to do basic tasks such as stepping up on a scale, opening their wings, and being comfortable with the towel around them. Keep in mind that parrots are social creatures and you are their flock and you are their family. They can develop anxiety, boredom, depression, and unwanted behaviors such as feather picking if these needs are not being met. Lastly, birds should be taken to a veterinarian at least once a year for a regular checkup. Unlike dogs and cats, it's not as obvious when they're sick. They like to hide signs of illness until sometimes it's too late. So going to a vet and getting regular blood work and disease testing is super important. When you design their cage, you should stay away from mirrors, huts, or artificial nests because this can encourage breeding behavior. Laying eggs can be dangerous for birds. Another way to prevent them from becoming hormonal is to not pet them on their back. That zone can be sexually stimulating for these birds, and you're basically imitating mating or masturbating them. This can lead to sexual frustration for them. So remember to only pet your bird from the neck up. My 3 minutes are just about up, so please like and subscribe and let me know what you want to see next.